fight, I know that he's going to box me, and we know that he's gonna do in the fight. So that's why I prepared on that. But I'm not too much confidence and aggressive to the fight because that's the cause of the knockout if you're very confident.
Manny, did having the camp in the Philippines, did you feel as prepared as in your past fights when you had the camp in the States?
Well, I don't know yet because we don't know who's my opponent, but training camp in the Philippines is still it's good. It's like Hollywood, but we will see on the next fight when we're gonna train.
Well, speaking of the next fight, is there anyone who you'd like to face specifically?
Well, as of now, I'm going back to the Philippines and celebrate the victory tonight, and I hope all Filipino people enjoy and happy.
Excellent, Dave. Congratulations. I know you got the Vice President here with you. Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations too, and we are proud of Pacquiao, and we are proud of the Filipinos, the real winner. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Political power here as well. Manny Pacquiao, thank you. Safe travels back to the Philippines.
All right, thank you, Mark.
Thank you.
This sports